Where's Daddy card?
The culture.
Where's my Daddy card?
No, not me. That mommy.
The Daddy card. Where's mommy name?
M-O-M.
Yeah?
Mommy,
What did this one say?
I love you.
You love me?
Yeah. What can I plan to do?
It said, I love you 2 piece.
2 piece?
Yeah.
Look, for 2 piece.
You made the heart for mama too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mommy,
What's this?
what gonna be? M-O-M.
What about it? They call it name, huh?
Yeah, C-A-R-T-E-R. Carter.
Yeah. What's your last name?
Carter.
Your last name Carter or Carter Wong?